Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on your username. Here, click on the pencil icon in the top right corner. Now remove the previous name and type in a new one. Now click on the right sign in the top right corner. And that is how you can change your name in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.